Siyempre, magbabaon tayo ng Pit Bar, Chocolate, Fruits Delight, Tiramisu. Morning guys! Ngayon, papunta tayo ng Mega Mall para kitain yung iba natin kasama.
Share with our fit barkada.
Hey!
Salamat, Pit Bar! Love you!
Ating mapait na JP tumutulong sa ating kapwa siklista.
Full of energy. On the way to Marcos Highway.
Takbong 42. 43.
Here at Marcos Highway with other cyclists. Refuel with our favorite on-the-go snack. Fit Bar.